All right, everyone. This is like part 5, I think, 6 of whatever it is. As you see, we got the transmission back out. It's leaking from that seal there. Looks like it might be leaking behind there also. So we gotta pull out the pump, replace the seal on it. Got to replace the overdrive solenoid in it because we got the error code on that. This is the second rebuilt reman from this company. Still haven't gotten one right. We had to retap all these holes even before we got in. We spent an hour doing that. I hate Dodge transmissions in the first place. I hate them even more when the company does not do their job right doing a reman. I always post the link of the company where we got the transmission from down in the description. That way you guys will be warned. We are going to be doing the front diff rebuild in this. New pinion, bearings, whatnot, seals. Then we got to do the rear. That has some bad bearings, possibly a bad spine. Power steering, high pressure hose needs to be done. We did a little bit changing in the pit. We switched out the toolboxes. I'm in the process of still getting the garage cleaned up. That way I can rebuild the engine for the 2011 1500 Z71. Just so much going on at the garage right now. It's hard. We're going to be doing a pressure test on the torque converter because that needs to be done. And the reason why we're doing that is to make sure the welds are good around that, because the slightest little pinhole will cause it to leak. All we do know is that we have leakage coming from the belt housing. So that's where we're at with that. Just always one thing or another, folks. I'm not trying to miss the videos. I want to make sure we get the videos done every day for you guys. That ratchet comes in so handy. That's the custom 27-inch Pittsburgh Pro, half-inch drive, like I said. You would be surprised at how often we are using that ratchet. It makes a hard fastener easy. But yeah, we got that box down in the pit now because it carries more tools. Got the battery charger there. These hammers here are going down in the pit. I gotta get a little section. I gotta get wiring done down there still. We have a new pry bar, folks. That is a Mac. That is the muddiest pry bar in the world. But I will be doing a review on that. She is a big jamama there. We've been doing some welding. We just brought in another load of firewood for the garage. We're about 12,000 pounds of firewood on the trailer. And hauled that in with my 05 F-150 with over 300,000 miles on her. But as you see, we're almost out of wood in the garage. The garage is a complete mess. I hate my garage being a mess. But that's where we're at. I'll be doing a video of replacing the seals. That way you guys will see how we do that on this Dodge transmission. Probably doing a video on the overdrive solenoid for that. It's actually called something different. But I did do a little test with the brake cleaner. You gotta watch it, folks. This stuff will melt plastic. That stuff is harsh. I am going to be sending a letter to that company on email about that brake cleaner. I don't know what they did to it. I've used it for years, but I will show you a little video later. Well, I'll be uploading a video next couple of days of me showing you what that does to plastic. You know, and I'm actually going to find an old wire harness and do a little test on the wire harness, see what it does to that. But that's where we're at, folks. Later, have a great day.